In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain in Lark. Adding an approved email domain helps you control who can join your organization in Lark. When you set this up, only people with email addresses from the domains you approve can create or join accounts under your workspace. It's a simple step that helps keep your environment secure and your membership clean and professional. Start by opening Lark on your desktop or in a web browser. Make sure you're signed in with an account that has admin rights for your organization. If you don't see the admin options later, you may need to check with your organization owner or another administrator. In the top right corner, click your profile picture or avatar to open the account menu. From that menu, select Admin Console. This takes you to the central hub where you manage organization-wide settings. Once the Admin Console opens, click Settings. This section contains policies and controls that affect how users join and interact with your organization. In Settings, look for Approved Email Domains. Depending on your layout, it may appear in a Security or Organization subsection. If there's a search bar, typing Domains can help you find it quickly. Open Approved Email Domains, then click Add Domain. You'll see a field where you can enter the domain you want to authorize. Type your company's base domain, for example, company.com. Be sure to enter only the domain name, no HTTP, no www, and no extra paths. If your organization uses multiple domains, you can add them one at a time using the same process. When you're ready, click Save. Your changes will take effect for new users trying to join. From now on, people will need an email address that matches one of your approved domains to enter your workspace. This is especially useful if you want to prevent signups from personal email providers or restrict access to your internal tools. A quick walkthrough of what we just did. You opened Lark, clicked your profile in the top right, entered the Admin Console, went to Settings, found approved email domains, clicked Add Domain, entered something like company.com, and saved your changes. If you don't see the option to add a domain, you likely don't have the necessary permissions. Also, if you get a message that a domain is already in use, it may be claimed by another organization, and you'll need to coordinate internally. That's it. With an approved domain in place, you have a straightforward, effective way to control who can join your organization in Lark.